Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the iPhone 15 is updated and connected. This prevents provisioning errors. Open Settings, tap Cellular, then add Cellular Plan to begin scanning the carrier QR or enter the activation details manually. Once done, name the plan for clarity, personal, or work, so you know which number is active. Make sure to keep Wi-Fi on if the carrier needs online verification. This step authenticates the Esim profile and prepares the phone to download the carrier settings automatically. Once scanned, the iPhone downloads the Esim profile. Wait for the confirmation prompt. You'll then assign labels and choose the default line for voice, SMS, and cellular data. This determines which number iMessage and FaceTime use. Make sure to enable data roaming if you expect international use, and set cellular data for the correct plan if you use dual SIM. If prompted, restart the phone to finalize carrier settings. This clears cached network info and ensures the eSIM registers properly with the carrier network. You finish by testing voice, SMS, and data to confirm the eSIM is active. Make a short call and load a web page to verify connectivity. If the plan doesn't appear, go back to Settings, right arrow Cellular to check profile status, remove and re-add the eSIM, or restart the phone to force re-registration. One key troubleshooting tip: if activation fails, contact your carrier with the device IMEI and eSIM activation code ready. Many issues are resolved by carrier-side activation or reissuing the QR code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.